Hello, welcome back, class 4. We learn here chapter 1, building and shapes. We learn here chapter 1, building and shape. This is your part 2. This is your part 2. Okay? In previous video, what we learn? As we see story of Jagriti school. Story of Jagriti school. Okay. We see here patterns. We see here patterns. Now you draw some new flower pattern. Okay. But see here in the Jagriti school, so many patterns are there. In the Jagriti school, so many patterns are there. When in the school we make a pattern, that time how many patterns we used? How many patterns? We used more than 1,000. More than 1,000 na? This one, see, in Jagriti school they make a pattern. But how many bricks, how many patterns they use there? More than the 1,000. Sorry. How to count these numbers? All of you learn in first standard, second standard, third standard also. Here also we learn number system. Here also we learn numbers system. Which topic we learn here? Numbers system. Which topic learn here? Numbers system. See, I show you some example. How to read this number? 98. 8 is on 1's place, 9 is on 10's place. How to read this number? 98. How to read this number? 98. Next one. You have 457 bricks. Okay. How to write this one number? Ones, tens and hundreds. How to write this number? 7 on 1's place, 5 on 10's place, 4 on 100 place. You write there number name 457. All of you understand how to write 457. समझ में आया बच्चों? But in this pattern, bricks is more than the 1,000. More than the 1,000. So, after 100, how will read the number? After 100, how will read the number? See here. For example, how to read this number? For this, we learn here number system. For this, we learn here number system. Number system have two types. Means two types number we Read there. Okay. One is there, Indian system, and second is there, international system. First is there Indian system, second is there international system. International place value system we learn in next class, means you learn in 5th standard. Okay. Now here only we learn Indian system. Next class we learn international system. Here only we learn Indian system. In this system, the number divided in 4 periods. Which periods? Ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, and crores period. See here, ones period have what come there? Ones, tens, and hundreds. Then thousand period have thousand and 10,000. Lakh period have lakh and 10 lakh. Crore period have lakhs period have crores period have crore and 10 crores. Okay. समझ में आया बच्चों? वंस में वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड तीनों मिला के क्या बनता है? वंस पीरियड. 1000 10,000 मिला के क्या बनता है? 1000 पीरियड. लाख 10 लाख मिलाकर होता है लाख पीरियड. एंड करोड़ एंड 10 करोड़ मिला के होता है करोड़ पीरियड. समझ में आया बच्चों? In a numbers name, when you write the numbers name, don't use the plurals. Plurals means, see here, I wrote here 10 crores, but you write there only 10 crore. Crores is a wrong. 10 lakhs, lakhs is a wrong. Write there only 10 lakh. समझ में आया? We learn here 1, 2, 3 example. One number given you. अब ये कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट वन वी राइट हियर वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now you wrote this one. How to write? 7. 7 last number, write in a ones place. 0 write on a tens. 4 write on a hundreds. 1 write as a thousand. 9 write as a 10,000. 2 write as a lakh. 3 write as a. Now how to read this number? 32 lakh, because of this is your lakh period, this is your lakh period, this is your thousand period, this is your ones period. 32 lakh 91,407. 32 lakh 91,407. Write their numbers name. Write their numbers name. 32 lakh 91,407. 407. Now also we learn here. Give their commas. Give their commas. Where we give the commas, that is your rule. See here, this one number write 32 lakh 91,407. Where give the comma? After one period we give the comma. Means 32 lakh is there, so give one comma. 91,000 there give the comma, and 407 is a ones period. 91,000 in a thousand period. 32 lakh in a lakh period. Okay. And why we give the comma? When we give the comma, we read completely and we understand the number. We understand that number. See here, this one number, I write here this one number, same write here this one number. But when you read, this one read you easily na. When you see that one, what you make? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 32 lakh, 91,000. But when you see that time, you read easily 32 lakh 91,407. You read easily na. Okay. Another example also we learn here. See here, 32 lakh 91,000. We don't use here plural. Plural means lakhs. Plural what? Lakhs. Thousand plural what? Thousands. Don't use this one. This one is a wrong. Only write there 32 lakh 91,407. Next one. Second one example. This one also we write in a periods. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 7 write as it is. 0 on tens, 9 on hundreds, 0 on thousand, 3 on 10,000, 1 is lakh. Now how to read? 46 crore 1 lakh 30,907. How to write number name? Write here 46 crore 1 lakh 30,907. अंडरस्टैंड? आप लोगों को समझ में आया बच्चों कैसे लिखना है? नाउ ऑल्सो गिव द कॉमर्स. After 1 period, give comma. After 1000 period, give comma. Lakh period. You see there. How do we read? This is for easy, na? Okay. Now. This one also write in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now, how to read? 47 crore 30,400. Write in word 47 crore 30,400. 400. So see here 47 crore. 0 lakh is there, but we don't write here. Okay, 0 lakh means no value is there. So don't write 30,400. Tens ones have also not a value. So write there. How to come? That same as it is. Right. Okay. All of you understand now? Number system. How to write in Indian system? There are two systems, Indian system and international system. But here we learn only Indian system. Next class we learn international system. Now write there. Now write here. Next one is a place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value. Place value means what? First say me. Place value means it's a depends upon position. It's a depends upon position. How to write the place value? See, when given number, that time you multiply by that place values. Okay. Now we learn here. Ones को जब वंस की प्लेस वैल्यू पूछेंगे तब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, जब टेंस की प्लेस वैल्यू पूछेंगे तब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, जब 100 की प्लेस वैल्यू पूछेंगे तब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, जब 1000 की पूछेंगे तब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000, जब 10,000 की पूछेंगे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10,000, लाख की पूछेंगे मल्टीप्लाई बाय लाख, 10 लाख की पूछेंगे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 लाख, करोड़ की पूछेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय करोड़, जब 10 करोड़ की पूछेंगे तब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करोड़। ओके, समझ में आया बच्चों? समझ में आया ना बच्चों? अब देखेंगे 1-2 एग्जाम्पल्स। 31 करोड़ 56 लाख 97,131। अब 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, यहाँ पे हम सभी की प्लेस वैल्यू लिखेंगे। 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 1। 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू कैसे लिखेंगे? 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 30। 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू आप कैसे लिखेंगे? बिकॉज ऑफ 1 इज ऑन 100 प्लेस, 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 300। 7 is on thousands place, so 7 multiply by 1000 7,000. 9 is on 10,000, so write there 9 multiply by 10,000, write there 90,000. 6 is on lakh place, 6 multiply by lakh is equal to 6 lakh. 5 is on 10 lakh place, 5 multiply by, you got their answer 50 lakh. 1 is on crore place, so write there 1 multiply by write there 1 crore. 3 is on 10 crore, 3 multiply by 10 crore is equal to 10 crore is their place value of 3. समझ में आया? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, करोड़, 10 करोड़। ये सब हम लोगों को करना है। और एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे 51 करोड़ 96,332,337। हमें यहाँ पे सर्कल डिजिट के प्लेस वैल्यू बताना है 6। तब क्या करेंगे? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now we want here 6 place value. That time what to do? 6 multiply by 1 lakh, because of it's depend upon position. It's depend upon position. So write there 6 lakh. Now we want 5 place value. 5 multiply by 10 crore. 10 crore. So that answer is there 50 crore. समझ में आया बच्चों? प्लेस वैल्यू कैसे लिखना है? नाउ फेस वैल्यू. फेस वैल्यू. फेस वैल्यू means what? Write the number itself. Face value means how to this one see. Write as it is means write the number itself. Write the number itself. See here, 47 crore 96 lakh 32,101. Write the face value. 1's face value is equal to 1. 1's, 10's, 100's, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 1's place value write as it is equal to 1. 10's place value 1 is equal to 1. 100 place value 1. 2's face value 2. 3's face value 3. 6 face value 6. 9 face value 9. 7 face value 7 and 4 face value 4. समझ में आया बच्चों फेस वैल्यू कैसे लिखते हैं? समझ में आया ना? ओके. टुडेज होमवर्क इज इक्वल टू राइट द numbers name and give the comma. First 5 example I given you. And second one question, write place and face value circled digits. Okay, all of you understand? Thank you.